Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that might seem intimidating, but is absolutely crucial for your financial future investing. Let's address the elephant in the room: why so many of us put off investing in the first place. The biggest reason: fear. Fear of losing money, fear of making mistakes, fear of not knowing enough. I totally get it because I felt it too. We believe so many myths about investing. You need lots of money to start. You don't. You need to be a financial genius. Definitely not. It's basically gambling. It isn't if you approach it right. I need to pay off all my debt first. Not necessarily. I need to time the market perfectly. Impossible and unnecessary. Quick tip. Index funds are a specific type of fund that simply tracks a market index like the S&P 500. They have super low fees and are perfect for beginners. Now let me show you the magic that makes investing so powerful. Compound interest. Imagine a tiny snowball at the top of a hill. As it rolls down, it collects more snow, getting bigger and bigger. That's compound interest. Your money makes money, and then that new money makes even more money. Here's a mind-blowing example. If you invest just $100 a month starting at age 25, with an average 7% return, the historical stock market average, by age 65, you'd have over $250,000. But if you wait until 35 to start, you'd only have about $122,000. That 10-year difference? It's huge because of compound interest. This is why starting early, even with small amounts, is so powerful. Before you put a single dollar into the market, you need to understand your personal risk tolerance. Let me ask you this. If your investments dropped 20% in value tomorrow, would you A. panic and sell everything, B. feel anxious but keep holding, C. shrug it off as part of the process, or D. actually get excited to buy more at lower prices? Your honest answer tells you a lot about your risk tolerance. If you're younger with decades before retirement, you can generally take more risk because you have time to recover from market dips. If you're closer to needing your money, you might want more conservative investments. Remember, there's no right risk tolerance, just what's right for you and helps you sleep at night. Alright, now for the practical steps to actually get started. Step 1. Set up an emergency fund first. Before investing, make sure you have 3 to 6 months of expenses saved in an easily accessible account. This ensures you won't need to sell investments at a bad time if an emergency happens. Step 2. Choose an investment account. For beginners, I recommend one of these options. A 401k if your employer offers one, especially if they match contributions, that's free money. A Roth IRA for tax-free growth, amazing for most people. Or a regular brokerage account if you want complete flexibility. Step 3. Pick a platform. There are tons of user-friendly investing apps and platforms now. Look for no account minimums, low or no fees, educational resources, and a simple interface. Some popular options include Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab, or more beginner-friendly apps like Robinhood or M1 Finance. Step 4. Start with index funds. For your first investments, consider a total market index fund or S&P 500 index fund. These instantly give you diversification across hundreds of companies with one purchase. Step 5. Set up automatic contributions. This is crucial. Set up automatic transfers from your bank account to your investment account, even if it's just $25 or $50 per month. Consistency beats perfection every time. The single biggest mistake I see beginners make? Trying to time the market or pick the next hot stock. Listen, even professional investors fail at this consistently. Studies show that about 90% of professional fund managers underperform the market over a 15-year period. Instead of trying to outsmart the market, focus on regular, consistent investing regardless of market conditions. Long-term thinking, 5+ years minimum, ideally decades. Ignoring daily market news and fluctuations, and resisting the urge to sell when markets drop. Remember, it's about time in the market, not timing the market. Investing is truly a journey, not a destination. Start small, be consistent, and focus on learning as you go. Don't expect perfection. Everyone makes mistakes along the way. The important thing is to begin building the habit now, even if you're starting with just a few dollars. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button to learn more about investing and wealth building. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.